In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Figma for your email marketing as a UI UX designer, even if you're a beginner. This process will guide you step by step to leverage Figma's capabilities efficiently, ultimately making your email marketing visually appealing and effective. First, let's begin by heading over to Figma, which is a well-loved collaborative interface design tool used by designers around the globe. You can access it through your preferred web browser by typing in figma.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a top right button that says Log In. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. If you're new to Figma, don't worry, the platform makes it easy to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be landed on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where all of your designs and projects will be organized. Look for the design section, which you can find in the left sidebar. Clicking on it takes you to the design interface where we can begin bringing your email template to life. Now you'll want to click on Action, which is situated within the design interface. This will open up various options for you to begin your design work effectively. Here you'll start to see different tools and resources available for designing templates. In the search bar, type in email template. This search will filter through available resources and templates that you could use as a starting point for your design. Among the results, look for an option called Emailify. It's a useful plugin that allows you to build responsive email templates with ease in Figma. Click on Emailify to get started. Once the tool loads up on the page, you'll see various email layout options that you can incorporate directly into your design. Finally, click on Run to launch Emailify. By doing this, you can select the components and layout that best fit your email marketing needs. Emailify makes it incredibly easy to customize your templates, ensuring that it suits your brand style and communication effectively. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated Figma's interface to create a functional and beautiful email template. Remember, the key to an excellent email is both design and content. Spend some time customizing and optimizing your template to truly reflect your brand's message. Hopefully now you feel more equipped to take your email marketing strategies to the next level with Figma. Thank you for joining me and happy designing.